Okay, let's go ahead and do an unboxing video for the Insta360 Ultra. Got ourselves a 256 gigabyte memory card SD. And this is what it comes in, square little box. User's manual, quick start guide, some stickers, warranty card to read, and the safety guidelines, which is all the information you would need to operate this. Now it is a pretty strong magnet, I would say. That's pretty nice. Wasn't sure how strong it was going to be. Let's just dump everything out. Does fall, hopefully catch it. It's nice to have. Got the hat clip. So it looks like a magnet. Put that on your shirt or hat, whatever you want to do. The body cameras. Let's see how this goes. Just like that. Stays in there pretty good. Come with the SD Type C charger, data exchange cable as well. Necklace or whatever you want to call it. Put that around your neck or whatever you're doing, walking around filming your craft. Sounds to that on your shirt or however you want it. It's alright, it's not too strong of a magnet. Yeah, there it is. You want to have this side here, that's the strong side. I think that is it. I think that's everything that comes in this kit. I didn't get to the Creator's Edition. This is just the standard edition that you get. It's not bad. I think it's a little bit pricey. You don't really get any other mounts or anything like that. You have to wait for all that stuff to come back on sale because everything's sold out. But looks okay. Let's see, how it works. I'll make that another video for you guys another time.